Hello and welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. I'm Ellen and today I'm going to be making probably my personal favorite soap. And I've said that a few times, but this is up there. I'm going to be making chocolate lavender. This is a remake. I've already have a couple of videos out on this, but I figured I'd bring you along while I make it. I love it that much. The fragrance is chocolate lavender from Wholesale Supplies Plus. Behaves really well in soap. It does discolor to a tannish because it has a little vanillin in there, but so worth it. Yum. And this is coming from, I'm not typically a lavender fan. This one does it for me. I will be doing goat milk and oil method today for this soap because I like a goat milk chocolate lavender. It's probably one of my favorite bars for sure. For the colors, let's talk about that. Lavender and chocolate. I'm going to use chocolate brown mica from Wholesale Supply Plus, and I like to do like little Hershey Kiss dollops on top. We will do piping today. So chocolate brown will be a swirl and a little kiss type dollop on top, and then the lavender, I'm going to use my matte lavender from Wholesale Supplies Plus. This is an ultramarine powder, not a mica, but it colors beautifully. It's a nice true lavender. So that'll be a swirl, and then I will just pipe some rosettes on top with the little kisses in between. And oh, I love it. This is one of my favorites. So anyway, let me get everything pulled together, and let's come back and make goat milk, chocolate, and lavender soap. All right, it's time to add the soap additives in here, and this is my oils and butters that are all melted together and cooled down. So let's start with my farm fresh goat milk. Got going in here, which I have discounted from my lye solution to make room for this. It's called the milk in oil method, and I really like it. It's so simple. Here goes my kaolin clay. I like 2 tablespoons of kaolin clay, because it really makes a wonderful lather. And here are my colloidal oats because I just think they're wonderful in skincare products. I love colloidal oats. So I'm gonna get this blended in and let it sit for a few minutes and absorb. I do have my colors are already pre-dispersed here. Look at that yummy chocolate brown. In just a little bit, just a splash of distilled water, and that way when I pour the soap batter in, it blends really smoothly. So that's off to the side. Let me get this blended, and then we'll come back when the lye solution is cooled and ready to go. All right, I'm getting all the additives blended in here, and I forgot to mention that the fragrant oil is already in here because I have worked with it before, and it soaks very, very well. Sorry about the blending noise. So it's already in here, and that just saves me time when I'm making the soap. All right, it's time to get rolling forward. First, I just want to give a shout out to, well, not a shout out, but acknowledgement. These little turntables that I put my molds up on when it's time to do piping, I got that idea from Yellow Cottage Soapery. I think her name is Stacy. I'm not sure about her first name. Fabulous YouTube channel. She's just adorable. Her soaps are amazing. But I saw her using a turntable, and I'm like, that is brilliant. So that is from Yellow Cottage Soapery, the idea for that. I do have my piping tips all ready to go. This is a Wilton 1M star tip that I'll be doing my rosettes with, and then just a little, I don't even know what the number is, but just like an open hole to do my little Hershey Kiss dollops. So that is what that is. Got those all ready to go off to the side, and ready to get my lye solution in here, which has, I've dissolved 2 tablespoons of sugar in the water, so it's sugar water with snipped up tufts of silk fibers. Then I pour the sodium hydroxide in, that melts up the silk fibers, and then I add a little sodium lactate after it's cooled down a bit. So that's what's going on in the lye pot. And sodium lactate is not necessary. I find it helps the soaps unmold a little smoother the next day, and I like to stamp the day I unmold, so I like using it at a rate of about 1 teaspoon per pound of oils is how typically how people measure sodium lactate in their lye solution. So let me get this poured in here, and we'll just get up to an emulsion, and I'll split off for the colors, and then we'll stick blend is needed after that. And I've got my gear tie hanger tool off to the side, ready to go, because I love my hanger swirls. I absolutely love swirl patterns. So here is this nice ivory color and it's going to caramelize here as the lye reacts with the goat milk and the oil. This fragrance, again, it does discolor to a light tan. I might add a little titanium dioxide in the uncolored portion, just to keep it on the lighter side so those swirls show up. All right, it's the next day and I can't wait to get into chocolate lavender. Oh, this smells so good. I came down early this morning and steamed the top. It was a little dull. Didn't have any soda ash, but I just wanted it to brighten up a little. Yum. So pretty. Smells so good. I just pretty much love everything about it. So let's get this beauty out of the mold and see how that hanger swirl came out on the inside. The lovely Olga is all set up, strings are tight. Let's get to cutting. Look at that top. Ah, so nice. So, so nice. So I have decided to take one of my loaves this fall. All of my soaps, I'm going to cut a half-size bar with one of my loaves and offer half-size options in my shop. Because, you know, these are big bars of soap, and so I figured people might like a half-size option. I'm going to give it a try, see if people are loving it and all that. So let's do the thing here, you know. We've got to do the thing. Look at that top, and boom. Hello, gorgeous. Oh my word, you all, I am so tickled with these. All right, let's keep going. Top love, and oh wow, what do we see there? That's pretty groovy. Oh my gosh, I'm so easy to please. These swirls. All right, I won't do all the reveal here because I'll do it at the end. I'll show you all the designs at the end. So let's just keep looking at the individual bars here. So pretty. Smells so good. Looks so good. I'm a happy camper today. These are just everything I hope for. And you know, I try to duplicate it each time I make these, and they come out a little bit different each time, and I kind of love that. And that's one of the things about artisan soap. It's, you know, each bar is going to be an individual, never to be duplicated again. I love that.